found a hole in my AC line going to my condenser coil and wound up using a bullet valve that saddles the pipe and just clamped it on, covered it up. Bullet valves are used for refrigeration to where you need to make a service port somewhere. But a real easy fix for a few dollars. This one's a bigger one, which of course I couldn't use, but it saddles the pipe, covers up the hole, and I bubble test it, and it seems that it's not leaking. Pressurized testing it. $250. And we'll see if that holds. We'll give it a half hour. But that's what's happening. Watch out.